Demand and price are two key factors in economics. When the demand for a product or service increases, the price of that product or service tends to rise as well. This is because when demand is high, there are more buyers than there are goods or services available. This leads to a situation where buyers are willing to pay more in order to acquire the goods or services they desire. When demand is low, there are typically more goods or services available than there are buyers. This leads to a situation where sellers must lower the prices in
Presents a shift in consumer desire to purchase a particular good or service irrespective of a variation in its price. For example, if the quantity demanded at each price level increases, the demand curve shifts rightward. On the other hand, if the quantity demanded at each price level decreases, the demand curve will shift leftward. These changes could be triggered by a shift in income levels, consumer tastes, or a different price being charged for a related product. These factors interact with each other and can have both individual and combined effects on demand. It is important to note that demand is a complex and dynamic concept influenced by various economic, social, and psychological factors.
Section 4. Economists generally lump together the quantities suppliers are willing to produce at each price into an equation called the supply curve. The higher the price, the more suppliers are likely to produce. Conversely, buyers tend to purchase more of a product the lower its price.
A change in supply can occur as a result of new technologies such as more efficient or less expensive production processes, or a change in the number of competitors in the market. Changes in supply are caused by changes in the cost of inputs, productivity, technology, taxes, expectations, government regulations, and the number of sellers in the market. A change in supply is not to be confused with a change in the quantity supplied. Some factors can cause supply to change future prices. Technology advancements like computers, machines, and robots make production faster and easier, and businesses have to pay fewer workers. Technology lowers costs and increases supply at all price levels.
Many factors determine the demand elasticity for a product, including price levels, the type of product or service, income levels, and the availability of any potential substitutes. High-priced products often are highly elastic because if prices fall, consumers are likely to buy at a lower price.
Supply elasticity refers to responsiveness of the quantity supplied of a good or services to change in its price. It is really important to understand this because it can affect the amount of the good or service that is available in the market and the price consumers that pay for it. Factors that influence supply elasticity include the availability of resources and technology, the time period under consideration,